Living in New Orleans means enjoying rich culture, historic neighborhoods, and vibrant architecture, but it also means dealing with intense humidity, heavy rain, strong winds, and the occasional hurricane threat. For homeowners here, durability isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why more and more New Orleans homeowners are choosing vinyl bay windows when upgrading or replacing their windows. Built to withstand New Orleans weather, New Orleans climate can be tough on traditional window materials. Wood can swell, rot, or warp in high humidity. Aluminum can corrode over time. Vinyl bay windows, on the other hand, are designed to handle moisture, heat, and storms without breaking down. Vinyl does not absorb water, making it highly resistant to mold, mildew, and rot, common problems in coastal and subtropical environments. Even during long rainy seasons or after severe storms, vinyl bay windows maintain their structural integrity and appearance, giving homeowners peace of mind year after year. Long-lasting strength without constant maintenance. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in New Orleans prefer vinyl bay windows is how low maintenance they are. Unlike wood windows that require regular painting, sealing, or repairs, vinyl windows hold their color and shape without extra upkeep. For busy homeowners, or those who simply want to enjoy their home instead of maintaining it, vinyl bay windows are a smart investment. A quick wash with soap and water is usually all it takes to keep them looking new, even in neighborhoods exposed to salty air or heavy humidity. Energy efficiency that protects your home and wallet. Durability isn't just about surviving storms. It's also about standing up to daily heat and sun exposure. Vinyl bay windows are excellent insulators, helping regulate indoor temperatures even during hot New Orleans summers. Many vinyl bay windows feature multi-chamber frames and insulated glass options that reduce heat transfer. This helps keep indoor spaces cooler, reduces strain on air conditioning systems, and can lower monthly energy bills. Over time, that energy efficiency contributes to the long-term durability of both the window and the home itself. Structural stability for bay window designs. Bay windows add beauty, natural light, and extra space, but they also require strong structural support. Vinyl bay windows are engineered with reinforced frames that prevent sagging, bowing, or shifting over time. This is especially important in New Orleans, where fluctuating temperatures and humidity can stress building materials. Vinyl's flexibility allows it to expand and contract slightly without cracking, making it ideal for larger window configurations like bay windows. Storm-ready confidence. Many homeowners choose vinyl bay windows because they can be paired with impact-resistant glass and reinforced hardware. This combination adds an extra layer of protection during severe weather, giving families confidence when storms roll in. While no window can completely eliminate storm risk, durable vinyl frames help keep windows sealed, secure, and less prone to failure during high winds or heavy rain, an important consideration for any New Orleans home. A smart investment that lasts beyond performance, vinyl bay windows offer excellent long-term value. Their durability means fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, and longer replacement cycles. For homeowners planning to stay in their homes, or those looking to increase resale value, vinyl bay windows are a practical and appealing upgrade. They also blend well with a wide range of architectural styles, from historic New Orleans homes to modern renovations, without sacrificing strength or reliability. Why durability matters in New Orleans homes. New Orleans homeowners don't choose vinyl bay windows by accident, they choose them because they work. With superior resistance to moisture, heat, and wear, vinyl bay windows deliver dependable performance in one of the country's most demanding climates. For homeowners who want windows that look great, perform well, and stand the test of time, vinyl bay windows offer durability you can trust, season after season, storm after storm.